It's happened to all of us. You find this amazing free tool, start using it, love it, and then bam, it's suddenly behind a paywall. That's exactly what happened with my old text-to-speech method. I know a lot of you relied on it, and honestly, so did I. It made everything so easy. But now it's locked behind a subscription, and yeah, it sucks. But here's the good news. I've found a brand new way. And yes, it's actually free. No trial, no credit card, no catch. I tested a bunch of tools, and this one works beautifully with natural human-like voices. Let me show you exactly how to use it so we can all get back to creating without limits. First off, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on all the tips and tricks. Believe it or not, ChatGPT is one of the easiest ways to get free of unlimited text-to-speech. Let me show you how. I'll log into my free account. Yes, I do pay for ChatGPT, but right now I'm using the free plan to prove it works for everyone. Here's the trick. When you start a chat, you'll see a little speaker icon. That's the read aloud feature. But here's the catch. It only reads out ChatGPT's responses, not what you type in. So how do we make it read our scripts? Simple. Just prompt it with something like, rewrite this text back to me without changing anything. Then paste in your script. ChatGPT will reprint it, and voila, you can now use the read aloud feature to have it spoken out loud.
Sure, here is your text rewritten without any changes. In a dusty village on the edge of nowhere, a curious boy named Arjun stumbled upon an old, rusted key buried beneath a banyan tree. No one remembered who planted the tree or why the ground below it felt colder than the rest. The key had strange markings, symbols he couldn't read, yet somehow understood.
Quick heads up if you're new to text-to-speech. TTS takes the words you type and turns them into speech. It's great for listening to messages, converting ebooks into audiobooks, or just hands-free reading. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I save this as an MP3? Well, it's way easier than you think. You don't need to record your screen or mess with the inspect console. Just use the built-in voice recorder on Windows. No extensions needed. Here's how it works. First, enable stereo mix on your PC. This lets your computer record internal audio directly. To do that, 1. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Sounds. 2. Go to the Recording tab. 3. Right-click and enable stereo mix. If you don't see it, right-click and make sure Show Disabled Devices is checked. 4. Set stereo mix as the default recording device. Now, open the voice recorder app in Windows. Then go back to ChatGPT, click Read Aloud on your script, and hit Record in Voice Recorder. It will capture the AI voice as it plays, clean and in high quality.
Dusty village on the edge of nowhere, a curious boy named Arjun stumbled upon an old, rusted key buried beneath a banyan tree. No one remembered who planted the tree or why the ground below it felt colder than the rest. The key had strange markings, symbols he couldn't read, yet somehow understood.
Once done, stop the recording and save the file. It's now ready to use as audio for your content.
In a dusty village on the edge of nowhere, a curious boy named Arjun stumbled upon an old, rusted key buried beneath a banyan tree. No one remembered who planted the tree or...
No plugins, no signups, just your PC doing the job. You can even change the voice. Go to your ChatGPT settings, click your profile, then go to Speech. There, you'll see different voice options to choose from, even on the free plan. It also works on gemini.google.com. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next tip or trick. The AI world is evolving fast. One day a tool works, and the next, it's gone, just like my old TTS tool. So stay ahead by sticking around. See you in the next one.